Hey everybody, Ryan with Ryan Outdoors here. So I got this sent to me, and this is actually quite awesome. This is the Ruko F11GIM2, or you could call it the F11GIM2. But this is an awesome little drone, and some of the things I love about this, other than the low price, it comes with an awesome case. Inside the case, you get the controller, which you can put your phone on the top. If you like old school, you can put your phone on the bottom. And it also folds out to where you can hold it better. Cool thing about this controller is, so like with other drones, you have to connect a cable. I have forgotten that cable before, which is terrible. So it really ruins the filming moment. This is all Wi-Fi, which is just simply amazing. So you get the controller, you get two batteries, which are 2,500 milliamps or 27.75 watt hours. With two of these together, you get about an hour's worth of flight. The drone folds out. Oops. Like that. You got a little camera gimbal protector deal. Put your SD card in there. Battery goes in the top. It's real simple to turn on. Also, what is cool is it comes with extra propellers, the tool you need, and all the screws you need in case you damage a blade. Very, very awesome setup for half the value of other drones, or half the price, I should say. Not half the value. It's actually more value. Really love this drone. As you guys will see in the video, I only did a handful of the features that are included with this drone. One thing I find that's really cool, and with other drones with that follow me, as they call it, the problem is if you go behind a tree, it often loses track of you. This has a built-in GPS follow mode on top of a multitude of other modes, but what's cool about that is it follows the controller. So if you are going on a hike through the woods, the drone will continue to follow you. If you're farming and you want to show your friends, the drone will follow you. So that is a really cool addition to drones. So yeah, follow the link in the description. It'll take you to their website. But really cool, awesome. Absolutely love this drone. I honestly think I'm probably going to retire my other drone. This is certainly some stiff competition. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I'm enjoying this beautiful morning. So there we go. And here's a close-up of the drone. I got it a little bit dirty flying it around, but brushless motors. Gimbal works great. Films in 4K. Really love this thing.
It's always hurry up and wait for your big break to come around. But if I crack the code a little late, I'm supposed to blame my age and not this town. Yeah, that don't make no sense to me. Cause if time defines my trajectory, then being 25 should make me history. So go ahead and write me off, that's fine by me. I'm gonna move to the beat of my own drum. Don't care who's watching, it ain't you calling the shots. up in the hills. Couldn't care less if I sink or swim. So why would I be trying to get in their game if they won't even let me in? That don't make no sense to me. Cause if time defines my trajectory, then being 25 shouldn't make me history. So go ahead and write me off, it's fine by me. I'm gonna move to the beat of my own drum. Don't care who's watching, it ain't you. Calling the shots, saying when I'm done. Call me a fool for thinking I could really be someone. I'm gonna move to the beat of my own drum. Move to the beat of my own drum. Don't care who's watching, it ain't you. Calling the shots, saying when I'm done. Call me a fool for thinking I could really be someone. I'm gonna move to the beat of my own drum. Yeah, you love when we fight. I'm wrong and you're right. I don't wanna go back and forth with you no more. No, we can't even try. No, we can't even try. Fire and ice. Lose my breath when I think of that night. Take me back before I told you goodbye. This happens every time when we collide. Like fire and ice. Like fire and ice. Say you wanna go slow, but I gotta say no. I don't wanna go back and forth with you no more. We can't even try. No, we can't even try. Fire and ice. Lose my breath when I think of that night. Take me back before I told you goodbye. This happens every time when we collide. Like fire and ice. Like fire and ice. Ooh. Go back and forth with you no more. No, we can't even try. No, we can't even try. Fire and ice. Lose my breath when I think of that night. Take me back before I told you goodbye. This happens every time when we collide.